sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga apostol ay mapagpatuloy. The head is constant, the head is continuing, so is the body of Jesus, that is the church. The church must be a continuing generation and group of people. Alam nyo, isa sa mga paniwala ng PMCC Fourth Watch, na mula nung naitayo ang unang iglesia na makaapostol sa unang daang taon ng pananampalataya, ay kailanman hindi naputol, hindi nahinto ang iglesia ng Panginoon. This is one of our doctrinal statements, that from the day of Pentecost, wherein the church was built and founded, the true church of Jesus Christ had never ceased. It was never cut off, even though it went and it goes through tribulations. Isa yan sa ating mga pinanghawakang doctrinal statement, na mula nang tayo itinayo, kailanman ay hindi huminto ang tunay na iglesia. Hindi tumigil ang iglesia. Sa katunayan, meron tayong doctrinal statement. Ito ay ang tinatawag na 32 Doctrinal Statement of Faith. Yung Doctrinal Statement 11, second paragraph, yon ang ating makikita. At ito ang aking babasahin sa inyo. Itong nasa verse, second paragraph. Babasahin ngayon natin ito. Yan ang tinatawag na... Okay. Nakikita ba natin? Ang sabi dyan, sa second paragraph, that this church is glorious and was founded on Pentecost after the resurrection of Christ, was never cut off nor ceased to function, and will continuously be victorious until the second coming of Jesus Christ. Never cut off. That is why the Church of Jesus Christ in the PMCC Fourth Watch is the continuance